Okay, time to take a look at the WETT 16-piece 3/8" drive low profile impact hex driver set. Okay, so we can see it covers both metric as well as SAE. So we got 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19. So there are a few skips, but most of the common ones are covered. For the SAE, we got quarter, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4. They're all labeled on the case as well as on the socket. And we can see this goes up to a fairly large size socket. So if you're dealing with a bolt that goes up to a 3/4, this is going to be able to take care of you. They're all 3/8 drive. We got a nice thick wall on there. And even on the quarter, we still got a fairly thick wall. So that is going to be what makes this impact radius. You don't have to worry about these things blowing apart. They're a flat end, which is important to me because the ball ends have a tendency to want to round off. So this is going to make good surface contact around the entire inside of that socket head screw. We got a single hole drilled out, but I can see that there are slots cut on the other side, so it doesn't matter which side if you're just using a regular extension. So even if it's not lined up with that hole, you are still good. And on the label, it also says it is chrome moly denim, which means that this is going to be a very good material for anything that you're going to want to use an impact tool with.
We're going to try it next month.
Sounds good.
Next month, what month is next month? September?
Yeah.
Labor Day.
We're going to try it every day. we're going to...
Yeah, those are some awesome little sockets. The fact that I can fit it in this little area where almost everything else gets jammed up, that's just a fantastic way to go.